Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making green beans and potatoes. The ingredients that we need today are 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 2 pounds of green beans, 1.5 cups of water, 7 to 8 small potatoes. I have them in cold water so they don't turn brown. 1 medium onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced. I have 8 slices of turkey bacon and I sliced them into medium pieces. You can use the bacon of your choice. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cajun seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In a heated Dutch oven, you want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you want to let it come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my turkey bacon, and we're going to let that cook until it's nice and crispy and golden. Guys, if you're using regular bacon, you do not use any olive oil. You just put your bacon slices into your pot. Okay guys, once your bacon is nice and golden and crispy, you want to remove it from your pot, place it in a bowl and set it to the side. Now you want to add your onions in and let them saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. I'm going to let that saute for 2 minutes. Now you can add in your green beans. For the green beans, we're going to add in our water. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Now to that, we're going to add in our salt, our ground black pepper, our Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now you want to mix until well combined, and we're going to let it come to a light simmer. Now you want to place your lid on top, and we're going to lower our heat some, and we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to remove your lid. Now you're going to add in your bacon and also your potatoes. You want to mix until well combined. going to put our lid back on and you're going to let it cook for 1 hour. After an hour, our green beans and potatoes are now done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.